Please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of new recipes. Hello and welcome to Shilpa's cookbook. Today we are going to make masale bhat. It's one of the authentic Maharashtrian recipes. Let's see how to make it easily. Let us start with heating up 2 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Now to this I am going to add a tablespoon of ghee. Ghee gives a nice flavor. It's optional. And then I am going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds to it. Let the mustard seeds splutter, fry for a few seconds. And then I am going to add half a cup of sliced onions to this. I have approximately 2 medium-sized onions sliced over here. Fry the onions till they turn soft and turn translucent. When the onions are half done or half cooked, add in the 5 to 6 curry leaves to it. Fry the onions with curry leaves till they turn golden brown in color. When the onions are cooked well, let's add in all the other vegetables. First, I have some 1/4 cup of carrots chopped lengthwise, 1/4 cup of French beans chopped lengthwise, and 1/4 cup of potatoes which I have cubed, and then I have half a cup of fresh green peas, frozen or fresh, you can use any one. And then I have half a cup of chopped ivy gourd, or it's also known as tondekaayi or dondakaya, tindora also. Now fry the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the vegetables are fried well. Next let's add in all the spice powders. First I am going to add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder. You can adjust according to your taste. You can increase or decrease. And then a tablespoon of goda masala. This is authentic spice of Maharashtra. It is homemade. I have done it at home. Otherwise, you can also get it easily in any of the grocery stores. If you don't get this masala, you can replace it with garam masala. Just add a teaspoon of garam masala. Now, mix all the spice powders with the vegetables very well. Mix well and fry for few seconds. And then next, now let's add in the rice. Here I have a cup of rice which I have soaked for an hour, and then I have drained out the water. You can use any kind of rice. I have used basmati here. You can also use Sona Masuri rice. Now gently mix in the rice and fry the rice with the vegetables for few minutes. Now let's add in salt to taste. And then I am going to add a teaspoon of jaggery. Jaggery enhances the flavors of all the masalas and it adds to the taste of the bhat. Now next add in 2 cups of water. Here I have taken 1 cup of rice. For that I am going to add 2 cups of water. So the ratio is 1:2. Mix everything well so that everything is mixed well and salt is dissolved. Now close the lid tightly and cook on medium flame until you get 1 whistle. Now all the pressure is released. Gently open the lid. Gently fluff off the rice and gently mix in the pulao once. Now here I have greased a bowl here with a little oil. Fill the rice in the bowl and press it down lightly. Now we have got to gently demold the rice onto the serving plate. Just demold it as I have shown in here in the video. Gently tap it and gently remove the bowl. Now I am going to garnish it with some scraped coconut. It's fresh coconut which I have scraped. Then here I have some chopped coriander leaves. I am going to add that also. Some chopped coriander leaves on top. And I have here some tomato onion raita. It goes very well with raita. Serve hot immediately. Do try the recipe and comment me below how it turns out for you. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe and like and share my videos. Please do watch out my Kannada channel Manepaka for more exciting and interesting recipes in Kannada with English subtitles. I will be here back with yet another exciting recipe. Until then, take care and happy cooking.